Hey everyone!
Hey!
So as I promised, we're here to do kind of part 2 of the cloud bread.
Yes.
But so if you haven't seen the cloud bread video that I made, go ahead and check that out because if you see it in this video, you'll wonder what it is.
Today, we're gonna do a chicken salad sandwich.
Keto friendly.
Keto friendly, yep.
And actually plant paradox friendly.
Absolutely, for sure. So we have a pound of chicken. We just pressure cooked 2 chicken breasts. But it equals about a pound of chicken.
Yep. Healthy chicken if you have it available.
Yes, definitely.
I mean, not grass-fed.
Grass-fed.
Pasture-raised.
Bug-fed. Bug-fed chicken.
Bug-fed chicken, pasture-raised.
And then we also have our avocado mayonnaise, which we love because it's a healthy fat, a good way to get that. Next we have Dijon mustard, and that is 4 teaspoons.
Tablespoons.
Tablespoons, excuse me, 4 tablespoons.
Look at all that mustard.
A big difference.
Look at how much there is.
Next we have some olive oil.
Olive oil, and it's just olive oil to taste. I probably have 2-3 tablespoons in there. So I decided, why not throw some olive oil in there? Because
why not?
Why not? The more the better.
And then we also have 6 stalks of celery.
Yep.
And then to taste, we do salt and pepper. And then we have a little bit of parsley that we're gonna kind of break apart.
Oh, and then nuts.
Yes.
So we gotta get some macadamia nuts in here too.
And that would be 2/3 measurement of the macadamia nuts.
Or kind of just a taste. If you like not very much, it depends on how much crunch you want in it. That's really what they do. Yeah. So this is a super quick and easy recipe. My kind of recipe. It took a little bit more prep than usual because I had to prepare everything nice. Look how nice this looks for the video.
Yes. So I guess if you want to start mixing the other ingredients, break up the parsley into the bowl, then I will start chopping the celery because I like my celery pretty fine and pretty small pieces.
And she doesn't trust me with a knife.
No.
All right, so I'm gonna chop the last 3.
You want to chop the last 3?
Celery is one of the best vegetables to practice your knife chopping skills on.
Oh boy.
All right, ready? Because I've been trying to chop, like the way chefs do, where you grab the little thing and use your knuckles to protect yourself. So ready? I feel like I'm gonna chop your hand.
I feel like we're gonna be visiting the ER.
Well, technically speaking, you're not supposed to be able to chop your fingers if you... Now, those of you out who actually know how to do this, if you're looking at my, if you're looking at my hands right now, going, Dave, you're gonna cut your thumb or your... I just watched 1 or 2 YouTube videos.
Oh my gosh.
Salt and pepper to taste. So this recipe only takes, it's a great recipe because it only takes, you can really kind of eyeball this. The measurements don't have to be perfectly exact.
What?
I know.
You're starting to sound like me.
I actually said that on camera. What have I become?
I don't know. Do you have a fever?
But the nice thing is you can just sort of whip it together and you can put this whole thing together in 10 minutes, I think.
Yeah.
If you have the chicken already cooked.
Mm-hmm. And one thing that I really like is I usually on the weekend will make a whole bowl of this and then I'll just use whatever I've made, egg salad, tuna salad, chicken salad as the dressing for my salad. I'll just put it in a bag and take out how much I need each day, and then it's just super convenient because each night I'm not remaking it. Even though it's a quick thing to make, you don't want to spend that. It adds up to make that every night.
Yeah.
So
2 cloud breads.
And they're beautiful. It's such pretty bread.
So what she's saying is I did an awesome job.
You
cooking.
did an awesome job. Very good job.
Okay, so, and then we have some lettuce. We like to put lettuce on the top and bottom, right? I do.
Yeah.
Because the cloud bread it's pretty sturdy, but the lettuce helps kind of hold it in there and not make the cloud bread soggy. And lettuce is good for you. Surprise, surprise. Look at that.
Ooh.
Okay, here we go. clouds up.
So good.
This is actually like a comfort food.
It really is. And being able to eat kind of a sandwich again
Yeah.
almost feels like you're cheating. And you're not. It's super good for you. I love it. I love the cloud bread. I love feeling like I'm eating a sandwich. And the chicken salad sandwich is divine.
Yeah, and really you could put this on any kind of compliant bread.
Yes.
You know,
Yeah.
almond flour, cassava flour, whatever. Yeah. All right, everyone.
We're gonna go enjoy these
We're dying
sandwiches.
to finish these off, so we're gonna end the video right now.
Thanks so much for joining us. We appreciate your comments. Keep them coming. We love hearing from you.
All right, everyone, thanks. We'll see you on the next video.
Bye.